Before you become the next affiliate with zero sales, pay closer attention to this and follow these steps closely. First of all, find out what is the pain that people want to solve. What is it that people are suffering from that they really want solution, right? So you can use either ChatGPT or you can use Claude AI. But in this case, I want to use ChatGPT. The reason is because Claude already understands my niche and we have a work in hand, alright? So I don't want to confuse Claude. That's the reason I'm using ChatGPT. But you can use any AI. It all depends on the command you are giving to the AI. Okay, so let's find out. What I do first is I mention my niche to this AI, that my niche is AI tools and software. Then I also said, I asked what is the common challenges that is globally, the common challenges globally that people are talking about and are looking for urgent solution. So I want the AI to cite the internet and then come up with the challenges people are suffering from under this my niche. So let's find out. Okay, so after asking the question, you see that there are a whole lot of things that we can pick from. So we have a whole lot of options. Now you can see here the biggest AI problem people are talking or looking to solve. Okay, so you will see problems, you will see suggestions here, and then we can pick from there. We are not going to read all of this because there are so many. But here you can see up here, you see problems people have. Then you can also see what they are talking about. Sorry, what they are searching for. Can you also see what they are searching for? So you have problems, you have what they are searching for. So let's find out what we can go with. Which AI tools is actually worth using? That is what people are searching for. Kind of like keywords. How to get better more. How to get better, more reliable AI outputs. That is what people are searching for. Free cheap alternative. Base AI tools for specific profession. Okay. What tools actually matters and which are hypes? These are all keywords people are searching for. Now, you are not going to go with all of these, okay? Let's look at this. He said, but there are 7 problems I really focus on. Out of all these problems that ChatGPT is suggesting, he says he's going to focus on 7. Now, let's see them. Which AI tool should I use? That is 1. And then he gave reason for that. Now, let's go to 2. How can I save time with AI? That is another one. 3. How can I make money using AI? Of course, me and you know that a lot of people are looking for ways to make money using AI. So that is one of the problem or one of the things people are talking about online. The 4th one, AI is making my content look generic. It's one of the problems people are talking of and they want solve. Can I trust AI? That is 5. And then I don't know how to use AI properly. That is 6. And then finally, I need AI to do the work, not just chat with me. So these are the things that people are searching online or problem that they want solved. Now, what we are going to do is this. We are going to tell ChatGPT or Claude AI, any of the AI that you're using, tell the AI to now look for products that will match these problems that people are having and are searching for. Let the AI look for the product that will match or provide solution to these problems that people are searching for. Okay, so let's do that. So after the research, you now ask, after the research, here is the question you're going to ask next. Based on these results, come up with top 5 products in my niche. Remember, you've already mentioned your niche to the AI. So you're now asking the AI to come up with the top 5 products in your niche. with the highest conversion rates, good EPC, that can be found on your platform, which is JVZoo. Let's find out what is going to happen next. So after asking the question that chat should come up with the top 5 products with the highest conversion rates, good EPC, that is found in your niche and on your platform JVZoo, here is the answer that we've gotten. You see my top 5 for your niche. Can you see the first one here is we have Super Affiliate AI Premium. Can you see conversion rate is 2.38%. EPC is 0.88. Commission is 50%. Okay, we are not interested in commission anyway at this point. We are interested in conversion rate and EPC. And the second one is Presence IQ. Conversion rate is 4.85%. EPC is 1.76, 50% commission. The third one is Confluence AI 2.0. Conversion rate 3.14%. Then EPC 1.16%. We have the next one, Claw AI 4.27. Conversion rates $1.34, that is EPC. And then the final one we have Review Suits 360, 2.79%, and then EPC is $1.03. Now if you look at this, if you carefully observe this offer that ChatGPT has suggested, you see that this second one has a very good conversion rate. The second and the fourth, even the third also. So we are going to pick one from this. But then let's find out what are these products about. You don't just speak and promote. Let's find out what are these products about. What are these products about? And the first one is Super Affiliate AI Premium. What is this product about? This product currently, people have already made sales, a lot of sales. There is more than 500 sales recorded on this product. This product has recorded more than 500 sales. Okay. Now, 2.38% front end conversion. Commission is 50%, like we said earlier. Refund rate, it also has refund rate, 4.47% refund rates. Also about these products, you see that the funnel of these products has up to 34.76% conversion rate. The funnel of this product, and that funnel also has up to 68.45 EPC. Then the average price is $196.94. That is the average price of these products. So now we are not going to go through because there are many, but on your own leisure, as in before you pick any product to promote, just go through the information. So what I'm going to do to shorten the whole process, I will tell chat to reduce, give me the best 3 of this. So I am now telling ChatGPT to give me the best 3 offers from this list. Let's see what happens. Look at this suggestion. After mentioning the best 3, the best 3, Affiliates Fluence AI Premium. That is the number 1 product that was there on the list. Confluence number 2, and then Claw AI. Now after mentioning all of these, look at the ending part of it. It says, if I were you, I will build around these 3. Super Affiliate AI, it is a product that has to do with affiliates, marketing, and online business audience. This is, if your niche is about affiliate marketing and online business, you have audience that falls under this niche. Super Affluence AI is good for that audience. Now, if your niche is about business and agency, your niche is about business and agency, you have your audience around this niche, then Confluence AI is good. If you are doing something with the content creators, your niche is about your niche is about content creation, or your audience is about content creation, okay, YouTube, TikTok, any of those platforms about content, then Claw AI will suit your niche. So Just pick out of these three, just pick any of the products that suits your niche. For example, if I am going with making money online, okay, as an affiliate, if I'm going with making money online, so I will now go with the first product. So what I will do is I will go and search for this super affluent AI straight in the platform, JVZoo platform. Super affluent AI. I can just copy the name. Then let's go find these products. Now there are two ways to find this product. I can find it directly from here, or I can go to the platform to find it myself. So to find it from here, here is what I'm going to do. So I am telling chat, I want to request for approval of these products. Super affiliates AI. Give me a direct link to the products request page. That is what I'm telling chat to do for me. Let's see what happens. Okay, can you see? Now chat has come up with the product request page. So all I need is I'll just tap on this list or this link. I will just tap on this link and it will take me to the request page where I will now put in the information or send my request to the creator of this product, to the vendor. Okay, so clicking on this link will take me directly to the product page where I can now submit my request for approval. Okay, so that is one way you can send your request, or you can go straight to the platform. Now, why are we interested in this product? Let's analyze more on that. Why is it this product the best product for you to pick and promote? Before you promote any offer, there are three key things you must have in mind. Number one is the conversion rate. Why is this important? The conversion rate simply tells you the number or the percentage of your traffic that will be converted to sales or converted. Conversion rate simply tells you the percentage of your traffic that will be converted. That is the percentage of those people that you are sending to the offer that will be converted to sales. That is what the conversion rate is all about. So before you promote any offer, focus on the conversion rate. An offer with a higher conversion rate simply means that that product will sell. An offer with a higher conversion rate simply tells you that there is a higher chances of making sales with that product. So that is the reason you have to focus on conversion rates. Okay, now the second thing is EPC. EPC simply means earning per click. So it is also important for you to focus on EPC, because those clicks that you are having, those clicks that you are recording on that offer, whether they buy or they don't buy, as long as they access the offer, there is a chance for you to earn some money from those clicks that you are sending to the offer. The EPC is telling you that on average, this is how much you are going to earn on so number of clicks that you are sending to this offer. I don't know if you get the idea. So on average, how much are you going to earn on average if you are sending clicks to this offer, whether they buy or they don't buy? How much are you going to earn on average? That is what the EPC is telling you. Okay, so you can still earn something from the clicks. So it is important for you to focus on offers that has a higher EPC. Then the next thing is you can also check the VSL. The VSL is video sales letter. So what you need to do is open the sales page of that offer and then watch the video that is there. Watch it to the end. Be patient to watch the video to the end, so that if that video that you are watching is very convincing, if while you are watching the video you feel like buying these products yourself, it means that that offer, that video can also do a lot of work for you. But maybe when you were watching the video, you did not find anything convincing. You did not find anything that convinces you that this offer is good for you. Then the same way you feel about that offer is the same way that your traffic or people that you are sending to the offer will also feel. So that is why it is important for you to have for an offer to have a good VSL. If the VSL is not good, then it is one of the signs that that offer will not convert well. So these are the key things. These are some of the key things you have to focus on before picking any product to promote. So as you can see in this first product we selected here, number one, Super Affiliate AI Premium, you see that the product has a very good front end conversion, which is 2.38%. Then front end EPC is 0.88, almost $1. Then commission is 50%. That is usual when it comes to JVZoo platform. Then sales is another statistic you can also check. This offer has already recorded more than 500 sales, and then it also has a good refund rate, 4.47%. Okay, so these are the statistics you can check before picking an offer to promote. So once you've gotten this information, you can now go to search for the product on the platform and then request for approval and start promotion. If you want to know how to search for any product on this JVZoo platform, I will encourage you to watch this video. Watch this video on this channel so that you will know how to select an offer before you start promoting. Feel free to drop any question in the comments. If there is something I have omitted or I haven't explained well to your understanding, feel free to drop the question in the comments. And if you've not yet subscribed, please hit subscribe. It is a way of encouraging me and the rest of my team to keep working on something like this so that you will benefit and others also will benefit. Please hit subscribe. Also, don't fail to give this video a thumbs up, because it helps YouTube algorithm to also push this video to others who may also be looking for information like this. Give us a thumbs up, and you are free to share this video with anyone you know who need this information so as to be guided to also make money online together. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.